Solution Center in Marshalltown, Iowa, where we're going to talk about a new innovation for position communication. And leading us to that discussion today is Tyler Reeder from Emerson. Welcome, Tyler.
Thank you, Anna.
So, what are we going to be looking at today?
The Fisher 4400 position transmitter.
And what are people using now?
Most people are using the 4200 and 4320 or position switches.
And what makes the 4400 different?
Well, there's several differences with the 4400. First is the linkageless non-contact position feedback that increases reliability by eliminating any vibration concerns that you would see with mechanical linkages. Second is the ease of use because you can calibrate the device in a fraction of the time. And then third is diagnostics, which enables maintenance to see details about the valve before they go on site. And it also enables proactive practices in the same way our digital valve controllers do, using similar diagnostics.
Wow. All right. Well, can we see it in action?
Yeah. So we have a demo here set up. And right now I'm going to calibrate the device using a DD, but you can also calibrate it using the push buttons inside. And so the first thing you want to do is take the valve out of service. And then you can start the calibration process. And so you'll just hit calibrate, and a pop-up will come up that walks you step by step through calibration. And so as we go through this, we're going to set the 0 first, but you can either set the 0 or the span first. And right now I'm going to move the valve fully closed and ensuring all of the air is exhausted, and then ensure it's fully closed visually and with your gauges, and then you can hit next and confirm, and then I'll move it to the 100% position, and again ensure that it's fully up and hit the stop, and hit next, and then confirm. And then you can accept the new calibration. And then it's going to ask you for a few details about who calibrated it last and when that last calibration was done. And this can be used for future reference. And once you get through these steps, you can finish the calibration. And once the calibration is finished, make sure to go back and put the valve in service. And once the valve is back in service, you're good to go.
Oh, great. Well, what are some typical applications of the 4400?
So the 4400 can be used on pretty much anything that moves, from isolation valves and control valves to safety valves and relief valves. And it's also SIL2 capable.
Yeah. Can you tell us about some of the benefits?
Yeah, so it can be used in a broad array of applications, and it's intended to replace positioners that are using potentiometers or limit switches where they're using contacting technologies, especially on quarter-turn valves. And vibration is a pain described by our customers in these situations, and the 4400 solves that.
Oh, great. Now, are there any other highlights you can share with us?
Yeah, so with upgrades or retrofits, there can sometimes be complexity with mounting. However, Fisher already has thousands of mounting kit versions to fit the valve or actuator that you need.
Now, if someone wants to get started, where should they go for more information?
They can go to their local Emerson sales office or go to emerson.com and search for 4400.
Oh, great. Tyler, thank you so much for your time today. And be sure to check out more demos we have available as part of the virtual Emerson Exchange.